Hey everybody, this is Jonathan Speagle, the Dream Maker with eXp Realty and the Home Squad. Welcome to Clermont, Central Florida with the rolling hills and the lakes. Let's check it out. Yeah! There's something about the rolling hills or the miles of connected waterways that make Clermont so special. We are also just 10 miles from the famous Citrus Tower that overlooks the Central Florida landscape. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home sits on an oversized corner lot in the Greater Pines neighborhood, just off of West Highway 50. Conveniently located just minutes from shopping, entertainment, dining, and family fun, this home offers location, relaxation, and rejuvenation. The luxurious saltwater pool has a brand new pump, an option for solar heating, and a heater installed in 2018. That same year, the owners replaced the stove and refrigerator while updating the dishwasher this current year. The roof was replaced in 2015 and the water heater in 2017. So with all these big ticket items cared for and taken care of, this home is surely move-in ready. The main bedroom is from all the way to the other side of the home compared to the other 3 bedrooms and feature 2 sinks and 2 closets with a door leading right to the screened-in patio. Continuing to the heart of the home, there's a dining room and a separate formal living room, an open kitchen that overlooks the family room and allows everybody to be a part of the magic of cooking. Two bedrooms directly across from the kitchen share 1 bathroom, as the 4th bedroom has its own private full bathroom. Outside, pavers make the beautiful pathway enjoyable and walking easy on the large outdoor space. There are even pineapples and bananas in the backyard, which creates the perfect retreat from your busy day. The Ring doorbell and driveway camera are going to be staying with the home. So this house will become your next home. Please see for yourself why space, affordability, and luxury can all be here in Clermont, Florida. Contact me, Jonathan Speagle, the Dream Maker, with eXp Realty and the Home Squad for more information. How about that? A 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom pool home right here in Clermont. About 10 minutes away from everything that you need to have. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks for checking out my listing. Peace!